Tired of endless scrolling and still not finding what you're looking for on Temu? Let's dive into how to master the Temu search function so you can find exactly what you need, fast. First, locate the search bar at the top of your Temu app or website, tap on it. Now, type in the keywords for the item you're looking for. For example, summer dress. Once you've typed your keywords, hit search. Awesome. Now, to refine your results, let's use filters. Tap the filter button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Here, you can filter by price range, category, color, size, ratings, and more. Let's start with the price filter. Adjust the sliders to your desired price range and then select apply. Next, let's select a specific color. Tap on the color filter and choose your preferred color, then tap apply again. Need to find something similar to a picture you have? Tap the image search icon within the search bar, upload your image, and Temu will show you visually similar items. See something you like? Tap the heart icon to add it to your wish list for later. To quickly find items you've previously looked at, go to the U tab, and then tap on recently viewed, and there you have it. Now you're a Temu Search Pro. Happy shopping! Don't forget to subscribe for more Temu tips and tricks.